Some weeks ago, I shared the amount I made training AI, and I can tell you that that amount actually went higher after I kept doing for some time before the project ended. And a lot of people want to know platforms that are going to pay, because most of these AI training platforms are going to pay you like $10 to $30 per hour, depending on the platform, the type of job you're doing, and the skill you have. So I'm going to share with you platforms that are going to pay you higher. When I mean higher, like from $40 to like $100, depending on the project you're doing and the platform you're doing this project, and of course the skill you have. The skill is quite important because it is the major determinant of how much you're going to be earning. So the first platform is remote experts. Like the name sounds, they're looking for experts in any field, and mostly in tech field. But that doesn't mean that people that don't really have tech skill are not allowed to come on board here, because they have generalist AI trainers that they pay from $30 to $60 per hour to do some of the jobs they have there. So if you come to the platform, this is basically what the platform looks like. And as you can see, they're available in 50 plus countries, and they are looking for PhD specialists, experts, and stuff like that. So if you come here and say view opportunities, you can see that they have art and design category, they have computer science, and they have finance category. So for anybody who has some skills in any of these, you can check these other ones like function-based code annotators. These are for people that are into core tech. And if you check, you're going to see that the amount you're going to earn is quite high. Like this one is going to pay you $120 to $150 per day to be able to do the task we have here. So for most people that watch my videos, a lot of you are going to be interested in generalist AI trainer, and here are the key responsibilities and what they are looking for and all of this. So here, if you have bachelor's degree in English, journalism, communication, or technical skills as well, you are welcome here. So this one is going to pay you $30 to $65 per hour to be able to do this job. So as you can see, it is also quite high, like compared to other platforms as well. So the second one, Surge AI. So if you also come to the platform, you can see that what they are looking for is for people in category of research and data science, platform engineering and infrastructure. Then you have field engineering and operations, and you have account management and development, all this marketing and all this stuff here. So even social media manager. So you can see content strategies. These are people that don't really need much technical skills. So you can check it out, and if you have any of these skills or you are experienced in any of these, then you can apply to the job. Now, because these things are core tech, if you check the jobs, you can go through to know what is expected of you to learn and what your job entails and stuff like that to be able to apply. This one does not really show you how much you can earn, but you can best believe that you're going to be earning something higher than $40 per hour to be able to do the jobs they have here. So if you're interested, you might want to check out Surge AI and get started. So the next one is the one that worked for me, and on this platform you're going to be expected to be an expert to be able to do the jobs. Like they need people that have PhD, as you can see here, and masters and college graduates as well to train AI. So these are experts in different fields, like especially core tech fields. So you can go through to check to know more information about the jobs here. So like I mentioned, this one, the jobs are seasonal. Like it's not something you expect to be doing at all times. So once the project you're in finishes, you just have to keep waiting for next one that will open, that will suit what you want, and hopefully you find one like that. So at the moment, these are the ones that are available. And another thing is, if it is not available in your location, you cannot really get to do it. So those are the things that you have to bear in mind before you get started this platform. So you might want to check out Outlier and get started. So the next one is another one someone recommended, and this one, it's not really as large as the previous ones I mentioned, but on here you can find data annotation jobs, and of course they're also looking for experts to come on board here to help them with the jobs they have. So if you come to the platform, the name of the platform is iMerit, and if you come here, you can see they have data annotation jobs, they have business operation, they have domain experts. So for interest of this video, we're going for data annotation, and these are the things that are expected of you to know about the job, and here is the place you're going to apply. Now this one did not really show how much they're going to pay you, but they're going to pay you something that's way higher than $30 per hour to get started, because on here they deal with experts just like the previous ones, so you can trust that you're not going to be receiving a little payment on the platform. So if you're interested, you might want to check out all of these platforms. And if you're looking to make job application any moment soon, I have prepared a 12-for-1 job application bundle that can allow you to do everything concerning job application, from the process of looking for the job to preparing for interview. It is all done for you, templates that you can customize, and they are ATS friendly. The good thing is I've gotten a lot of reviews from people that have used it, so if you're interested, you might want to grab one with the link in the description of this video. And if you found value so far in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you that has been supporting us so far. If you're looking for other remote jobs that you might want to do, or the ones that people in different locations, especially those in Africa, said actually work for them, you might want to check out these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.